Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can just set up your coming soon page on your Shopify. So to set up that, you have to first log in or sign up with your account. So as I have sign up with my account, and here at the left side you can see online store. So as we can go in our here at customize option. So in customize option, you can see in customize option, as you can see it's live now. So as you can see customize option, Shopify does not give to add any page from here. So we have to add the page from our exit. So we have to go to exit. So here you can see a page option is here. So you can click on this page. So here you can see. So in my case, I have a password on my Shopify website because I have not purchased a plan. So when you will remove the password, as you can see, like here I can just do my password as my name. Okay, so we can just save. So as you can see, so here you can see as you have not purchased a plan. So first of all we have to purchase a plan, then your site will be go live. So let's go to online shop and see here this is your blog post. So we have to click here at page. So as you can see in page option, we have an option to add a page. So here we have to add as title. So I am naming as title as new arrival. Okay, new arrivals. Okay, so here you can see, so we have to write here content. So we can write like coming soon. Okay, so write as coming soon. We can write as dot dot dot. Okay, so this is the Indian preview, as you can see. So here you can see, and just right here. So you have to just click on save option. So here you can see which have been saved. So here you have to just online show contact. So as you can see, it's added in default page. So we will click back option. So here you have to check our page is live now, as you can see. So we have to click on our online store here. So here you can see we have themes. So in themes we have to just click on this customize button. So here you can see it's wait. So from here you can see we have added the page. So we have to just see it has been not added till now. So we have to go to our pages option. So here I have to just click on this. So we have to just click on this view page. So you can see we have to just enter the password. So as you can see we have the page. It's under the contact option, I think so. So here you can see it is contact save. So as you can see, Shopify has been not updated till now. So it should be showing, but it's not showing. So let's go to online store. So I think so it's not added in this theme. It should be added in. So let us check this theme. So we will go to here. So as you can see in contact option or in other page in catalog we can go. So it's have been not added here. So we can go to over here, and as you can see, so here we have to search as our home page. So here is our new arrival should be here. So you can search as new. As you can see new arrival. So we have to click on here. So as you can see it's here. So we have to create a page. So let's create a page. So we will here we will go back. So we have to add a section. So here we have to add you have to add a banner type. we can add this. Okay, so as you can see, slide image. Okay, so we can just add this. So let's not add this, so we have to just delete this. So to delete this, you can just go to, so let's make in this site. So here you have to just add image, so we can just make the image like this. So as you can just see, so just add the image here. Okay, so it's writing here, so we can just edit this. So here is heading, we can just write as, we can just writing capital, will look better, coming soon. And in brand story you can tell uh, new, okay, new arrival. So as you can see, we have to paste the link. So let's paste the link of our product here. So we can go to all product. So here you can see, so we have to save it. Okay, so here you can see this new pages. Let's just check to our site. Let's check his inside. So view our to your store. So here you can see it should be coming. So we have to go to new, so new arrival pages, you can see. So here you can see it's coming from. So we have to remove this. So to remove this, we have to just go to our pages option. We can just open it, and we can just remove the description, and we can save it. Here we can reload the page. So it will be removed in few seconds. So as you can see, our new page is ready. Coming soon page is ready. So we can just check the button label from here. Okay, so it's all working. So this is how you can just create a coming soon page on your Shopify. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.